We're here testing out this tent. Promised you a review of a new tent, and we're going to do that now. Grab some equipment here, and this is what it looks like. You remember my other tent, about the same style, but this is a lot bigger. This is like a 6-person. But I had, this time I have a tarp. Stick this right here. And it's a good idea to use tarp because these tents aren't really thick on the bottom as some of your other ones are. So we'll try that. That looks good. This is, got to be careful opening this. It's got a nice zipper. And the brand name, of course it's made in China. You see the brand name there. Don't even know how to pronounce it. What is it? Yeah. Huling Yang. But it's just like all the ones on the market, so I think they're all made in the same factory. You gotta be careful opening this thing because it'll kill you. You'll see in a minute. Actually, you're supposed to, whoa. You're supposed to do it and just throw it, but I think that's crazy. I'll probably lose it. Woo! That's why you don't want to kill yourself opening it. You can see it's really big. Let's see, where is the, that's the door right there. Okay. But sets up in a matter of minutes. And my, looks like you need like two. Two ground cloths. This thing's so big. Wow. No idea it's gonna be so big. But it's really nice, but you know, you set it up in a couple seconds, and if you can figure out how to take down, it even goes down in quicker, so that should work. And I brought some of the stakes that I recommended from last time. Probably remember these. These go good in sand. Oh, this is sand, so we're gonna stake her down so she can't get away from us. Let's see how fast that was. As fast as the other tent. Put this in, stake it down, and you just kind of push it as you're screwing it down in, and it ain't coming back out. Boy, that tent's not going nowhere. Unzip it. This has a little vestibule in it, which is pretty cool. Show you what this looks like inside. So you have a little vestibule right here, and then another door right here that's netting, but look how big that is. That's huge. Before we get all down to that though, I want to treat this tent. Now it says it's been treated, but like I told you in the last video, you can never count on that. I mean, we had one that we bought in Canada, this tent, and oh yeah, it's waterproof. No, not even close. And this is Scotchgard. And then I bought another can of a little different. They're both silicone, so either one will work. So I'll use up the remainder of this one and then finish it off with this. And you want to get a good even coat on the whole thing. Okay, we got our gear in here. This little vestibule. You can put your stuff in, and it has a door right here like I showed you. But hey babe. And there we are. We got both our cots, and then we'll probably, well,
plenty of room.
Plenty of room, huh?
Plenty of room.
And then there's a little vent right here. I'll put the hose for the diesel heater. Diesel heater will sit out here somewhere. Might have to put it outside because it's got the exhaust, and anything the exhaust touches, it's too hot and it'll just burn it. So I'll probably put the box out here. And okay, we're gonna do some cooking. Let's cook up some supper. Do a little gourmet for me anyway. You ever heard of couscous? My son-in-law made some up for the first time the other day, and I had never heard of it. It's kind of a grain type thing. Anyway, I compare it to rice, but it's a lot smaller, and it just takes a real short amount of time to cook. So we'll make that up. First of all, we'll start some water on to boil. There we go. So I made the sauce up last night. What it is soy sauce, brown sugar, garlic, ginger. There we go, fresh ginger ground. So, and then you cook that, you bring it to a boil. But this is going to be in our dish here. Now we'll start with a little olive oil in our pan. Nice and thoroughly mixed. And then inside that we'll put our veggies. And all this is a classic coleslaw. So I wanted the cabbage. Makes it a lot easier to do it this way instead of having to cut it up and use it that way. So we'll put that in. And since there's only two of us eating, I don't know how much I'll put in there. Put a reasonable amount, probably about half that. There we go. That should work. Get that stirred up real nice. You hear that sizzle. Sounds good. I love the smell of cabbage cooking, frying up. It's kind of like a stir fry. Then I got some chicken, some canned chicken. So you just have to cook this down, put the sauce in it, and then add the chicken, because this is already cooked, it's canned. Stir this up a little more. Nice. Oh, you smell this, it smells really good. If you need to, you can add some more oil. That's what I need, because it'll dry out and start to burn a little bit, so make sure you add your oil, enough oil. Looks like I need a little bit more. Or you can use butter. I think oil tastes a little bit better. Now the couscous takes a little bit of oil as well. So put that in your water. And then it's got a flavor packet, and this is herb chicken. So open that up, and you'll put that flavor packet in there. Let it get nice and ready. If I can find it. There it is. So here's your flavor packet. Stick that in the water. There we go. That's done. Frying pan. See that? Cooking pretty fast. Once you get that water nice and hot, we'll stir that up a bit. Oh, it smells great. And then you just add your couscous, which is really funny looking. You gotta see this stuff. So add that and stir it in, and you just let it sit. Let me stir it first. And the heat of the water will cook it. Let me show you what this looks like. You guys probably already know what it's all about, but this is new to me. Get that going. Now, once you get this cabbage cooked down a little bit, then you'll add some sauce. And that's about right where it's at. Okay, let's add some of this yummy sauce. Shake it up real good first. Get all the yummy ingredients out. I just put it back in the soy bottle and made it work pretty good. Oh, ooh, you can only smell this. What a great smell. That look good. Ooh, yeah. Once the couscous done, we'll just put that right on there. I mean, this is a really fast dish. Now, got some of my chicken. And I add a little chicken in there. See, it just canned. Just to give it some protein, a little flavor. I should have brought my tofu. That would have been good in this. Patty doesn't like tofu. Get that nice and marinating in that sauces. Oh, yeah. Ooh. See how our couscous is done. That's amazing. You got to see this. I'm sorry, I'm making a big deal out of this. You probably think I'm nuts, but look at that. It's already done. Heck, what a great thing to bring on a camp trip. It's so fast and so easy. All right. All right, babe, you ready for some? I'll make you up some. Okay, got a bowl here. Like I say, we're going all out. Put her. You're okay with couscous? Okay, I'll make it up for you real nice. There's plenty, Sophia. Did you like it? I really like it. Okay. Put that right on top of there. We'll make a little juice. It's like a sweet, salty type thing. Ooh, that is going to be some good stuff. And that's how you make a great meal. Well, this morning we're going to heat up some biscuits and gravy. We've already had our hot chocolate. The wife made up some nice biscuits yesterday, or day before yesterday, and we're going to use those. Here is the gravy, which she made up as well, all from scratch. Some gravy in there and get her all warmed up. Ooh. So it froze last night. Weren't expecting it to freeze, so I'm not sure how cold it got. The thing had frost on it this morning. I was real surprised. So that gravy warmed up. Ever had fried gravy? Cut those, break those in half. Look at that, isn't that nice? I'll just stick them right in there like that. It's nice and hot. That just rolls right off that new pan. So this is what you got. Isn't that beautiful? Oh yeah, now it's heating up those biscuits nice. And we'll just, bon appetit. Just nothing better than biscuits and gravy in the morning. Well, I'm giving this tent 2 thumbs up. It's very well built, and this is the one we're choosing to take to Moab. Got to practice putting it back together, and it'll go quick.